God and men are the two secrets I've given you today. God and men, not just products and services. Respect whoever taught you what they taught you, but ask the person whether he's rich first. God and men are the greatest secrets I know to wealth. God and men give value to products and services, give value to businesses and estates, whatever it is. God and men are the secrets. If I was solving all my discussion as a mathematical problem, at the end of all of that, I will remove all the variables, and the only two that will be left is God and men. The heaven of heavens belong to the Lord, but the earth has he given to the children of men. The greatest secret I know, the greatest secret to wealth, are strategic relationships. But it does not come by chasing people. We used to call it those days friend for food. People who just look for a rich person and inconvenience them. It doesn't work that way. You attract strategic people by displaying the excellency of the wisdom of God. Are we together? And that includes those, you know, we say it a lot in church that the wealth of the wicked is laid for the righteous. It will not happen just by you folding your arms. God will give you wisdom. Wisdom that dumbfounds principalities and powers. Wisdom that is needed even in the Babylonian camp. They will search for men with that kind of wisdom and not find it. And they will come to you to entreat your favor. And when they come to you, like Naaman, they will not come empty. If Elisha was hungry, he would have collected the gift from Naaman. Elisha said, no, you go. If your wealth is by crook, by bribery and corruption, it will not fit this equation. But if it is with the dignity of kingdom integrity, don't tell me it did not start with God. Wealth does not start with ideas. Kingdom wealth does not start with ideas. Business people, I respect all that you have learned, but I submit to you with by the authority of scripture. Wealth does not even start with business. It does not start with investments. Wealth starts with your relationship with God. From that relationship comes the wisdom and the favor. It can translate to quality investments. The investment will come as an advice from a man. Whatever you are doing, it is still men. You just carry this equation and go and work wonders with it. God and men. God and men. They will give value to ideas. God and men will give value to estates. God and men. Someone, God can give you a wisdom now to build an estate, and before you finish, a strategic man will come and say, my company wants to put in 50 people, and you just build the estate. You already have occupants. That one is not an idea. It's favor that has come from men. Let me remind you again before we begin to pray. You are as wealthy as the men who open their hands towards you. Either they open their hands to transact with you. When you call someone a contractor, who is a contractor? A contractor is not just one who builds roads or supplies. A contractor is one who needs favor with men first. Your tractor will remain there until men give you access. Am I right on that? So Satan has suggested various ways of attracting men. Bribery, corruption, going to the herbalist, all of these are unnecessary. God's superior ways to stay with him, and he will grant you wisdom. The wisdom would direct you on what to do. The wisdom would direct you on how to relate with those men well. I've taught you relationships. You can be in the place of prayer with God, and God can tell you, buy a pack of wine, go and greet this man. That is the wisdom for your next level. It may not be applicable to everybody, but it came in the place of prayer. Just when you are going to greet the man, that's when your destiny helper just came to see the man too. And they'll say, aha, this is the man that I told you. This man can build. And the man will look at you and say, I don't know what is. Can you take a contract of 10 billion? Will you be able to do it? Take 5 billion to mobilize you first. And someone will see you and say, no, this guy must have gone somewhere. The person is right. You went somewhere, truly. Listen, let me challenge all business people and contractors here. Trust me, If you are part of this vision, I'm showing you how to be wealthy. Leave all those contract papers in 1 minute and take a day or two. Stop chasing around people. People insult you, you still say yes sir. No, go with God. Place something upon my head, oh God. Place something upon my business. Place something upon my construction company. Bring honor to my becoming. Let me not become as a slave and owe everybody thank you. Someone sees you tomorrow, even in your height, he still wants to kick you like a football and says, I made you. Oh, Abraham said, let it not be that anyone will say, I made Abraham rich. All blessings come from God, but through men. Don't allow any man tell you he's the one who made you. That's absolute nonsense. But that is the consequence of making men become God. Men are in the success equation, but it starts with God. The formula is in the beginning, God